So today's video, the Cheap Jeep is getting the old beat up muffler. It's a Dynomax exhaust from my JKU because the JKU got a fresh one. So we might as well get rid of this ugly stock muffler and put one this one still sounds good. It's just clearly very smashed. So the Cheap Jeep gets all the hand-me-downs. So here's another hand-me-down for it. So it'll sound much better. It was rattling, so this is really needed. So on the Cheap Jeep, we're basically replicating the exhaust that's on my JKU here. And that is just a Dynomax muffler. And then the back half of the factory exhaust, except it's cut off right here where it dumps over the rear axle. It's worked great for me, so why not do the same thing on the other Jeep?
Super easy. Just from junk that we had from other junk.
If you want to see more on the Cheap Jeep, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.